Considering that this year I will not be racing with the motorcycles, yeah, you probably didn't know that. I said that in the Italian channel. I'm going to make an English video as well to explain you why. Basically, that was because of the injury. So, I need to find other ways to get injured. So, why not to race with this wonderful kart? Actually, I'm not going to race, I'm just going to drive it for today. Because this is going to be my second time on a racing kart. I don't know if you saw it from the Italian channel. I already tried something like this last year, so this is going to be my second time. I'm here with this wonderful CRG in one of the most famous kart tracks, I think in the world probably. Lonato, South Garda, Italy. And many world champions usually come here to drive. I don't know why actually, but I saw a Japanese guy with the Alpha Tauri suit and I looked at him and say, that's really him! That's Tsunoda, the Alpha Tauri driver for 2021, which is training here today. I don't know why, but that's cool to see. By the way, what are we talking about? I took some notes because the kart world is something totally new to me. So I have no experience at all. I don't know much about it, so I will discover it together with you in these videos. So we have a CRG KT2 kart. The engine is called as my motorbike. In fact, it's a KZ-R1, like the Yamaha R1, made by TM, 125cc, 2 strokes with gears. I'm using the 2021 chassis and we're talking about 10,000, 11,000 euros. So one of the best karts you can find. So really thank you CRG for giving me the opportunity to drive it today. And I am not alone today because there is a special challenge with my friend. Naska versus Pedersoli, quale è venuto naturalmente con un kart del 2022.
No, col kart. Allora iniziamo da bravi piloti a prendere le prime scuse. Il mio è il modello precedente al suo, però è forse più facile, più gestibile, giusto Renato? Poi lui c'ha il motore bombardato, vero Renato?
Ma non è vero!
Il nostro è di serie, quello Euro 8, quello che uscirà tra 8 anni.
Ragazzi, io direttamente dalla Svezia ho qui Brandon Nilsson, che mi farà un assetto con il quale il record della pista verrà infranto. I literally have been raped by the kart. Guys, I didn't remember it was like that. Really. Felt like being in a washing machine, spinning at maximum RPMs, and I was there praying not to die. That was the feeling that I had. I don't even know where to start from. I'm speechless, sorry.
Ma stavi rodando? Meno male che era un po' bagnata perché... Hai visto quando finiva il bagnato che arrivava l'asciutto?
Cioè, passavi da no grip, no coppia a... Cazzo! Qua mi vedo la morte in faccia. Thank you. Okay, better, but I'll be honest with you, the first session was one of the worst feeling I've ever had in my whole life. Everything was so aggressive, so At some point I had to stop because I was going to vomit, really. I was like this and stop it. Now it's a little bit better. I got more used to it. The thing is that, you know, the mechanic bulls that you can find in the Luna parks, you have to imagine that you're on something like that. You have to survive. That's what it felt like. I had one problem, because every time I was exiting the corner, as soon as I pushed the throttle, the car started to do like this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. And okay, what's going on? Really, it was really hard to drive like that. Probably I was doing something wrong, okay? Probably. But maybe there's something to fix about the in Italian it's carburatore, in English carburetor. Because really, if I push the throttle and the car starts to do like this and I have to wait until it calms down, it's not that easy to... Tempi?
52.
Davvero?
Tu?
Metto il casco, ne parliamo dopo.
1-0 per me, senza contare prima sull'umido che per me...
Vabbè. Quello che conta è il tempo di fine giornata, quindi...
Oh, a me mi sorpassavano tutti.
Tutti, anche a me, tutti.
Ne ho superato solo uno, ma secondo me aveva mal di stomaco, ho mangiato pesce variato ieri.
Che disastro!
I made it more lean in the carburation.
Okay.
So it should not be as jumpy as you said.
Okay.
When you go on the throttle.
Was I doing something wrong or not?
You could go a bit faster, probably. But the issue is when you arrive too long with a low speed, the engine gets a lot of fuel. And when you want to go on the gas, there's too much fuel and the engine starts to bah, 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 and then goes.
So if I stay for too long without accelerating, it's kind of like it gets full of fuel.
Exactly.
Okay. So the thing is that if he, which is a pro, he's a pro driver, if he drives with this carburation, he would probably grip the engine. So the modification that he did, it's not a good modification, it's just something to help me to get used to it, to get more confident. It's something that you do for those who are not yet good. It's something that you probably do for the beginners. Stavamo considerando che questa è la prima volta nella nostra vita motoristica che siamo in un contesto dove tutti vanno forte.
Tutti. Dal primo all'ultimo. Io vedo solo gente che mi sorpassa. E anche quello che vedi vestito un po' tipo me e te, così un po' scappato di casa. Comunque, figa, cioè non riesco a tenerlo io.
Io sono tutto ufficiale, no? C'è la tuta con gli sponsor,
Sì,
il casco.
alcuni ti guardano come per dire...
Mi passano e mi guardano e dire: ma che cosa fai? Perché non sei rimasto a casa? Li vedo da sotto la loro visiera scura, proprio che...
No, adesso abbiamo un'ora per riflettere. Facciamoci un esame di coscienza.
Sì, ma il problema è che eravamo tutte e due.
Sì. Io...
Sto talmente guidando a caso, sto talmente facendo le cose senza una logica, che mi sono trovato in sovrasterzo al contrario al curvone. Anziché partito così.
Dalla parte opposta. Fai il pendolo, come nel drifting.
Esatto, per farlo più forte. Ce la facciamo, 49 esce oggi. 48 la prossima volta. 49 esce.
Perché mi fanno male anche le gambe che qua non fanno niente?
Non lo so.
Che a te fa male?
Tutto mi fa male, anche i capelli. It's exhausting.
Better you take like this, not like this.
Okay.
The first corner, the left and then the right, you brake too much.
Oh,
Way too much.
left. I should brake left.
Yes.
Okay.
Guys, I truly want to apologize to all the drivers here today because I am a mobile chicane. I am an obstacle. I'm sorry, guys. I'm doing my best, but I have no idea what I'm doing. The thing is that thing is so insane, it's so fast, it has so much grip, it has so much power, it has so much torque. I can't control it. I have no idea how they can go fast with that. How can they control it? That's way harder than the superbike. That's insane, really. I'm doing my best, but it takes time, really. But I'm happy because I just beat Luca by 1/10 of a second and I did 49.8! Woo! My personal record. It's still 3 seconds slower than how it's supposed to be, but yeah, but the thing is that it's so hard for the arms, for your body in general, that you get to some point that you don't have any more control over it. I didn't do 49.8, the kart did it. Dang. And then one thing that scared me is that if you're below some RPM threshold, the torque is 0. It's as fast as the shopping cart, okay? But as soon as you get the torque, boom, you get a kick in the ass all in once, and that's really scary. and then at that point, things start to happen. Oh my god. I'm done. I'm dead. I cannot even lift anymore my arms. Now, I couldn't improve, I was exhausted, but look at this. My best lap was 49.87, while the best lap of Luca, raga, non ci crederete.
Ti ho raggiunto 49,87. Uguale spaccato.
Uguale. Cioè, guardate.
Adesso tolgo un altro decimino.
No.
E abbiamo risolto i problemi.
No, la giornata è finita, andiamo a casa.
Non ci sono più turni, non hai sentito, era l'ultimo turno.
Giuro, adesso per principio.
No. Il video finisce qua, il turno di Luca non ve lo farò vedere, quindi siamo pari. Bella, ciao. Allora, cosa dice il crono?
Boh.
Come boh?
Non lo guardavo.
50 e 0.
Troppo freddo.